Mindfulness meditation for inviting the light and peace. And there are days when a simple meditation might not feel sufficient. Perhaps you're tired, there is some emotional turmoil, or you are experiencing some physical discomfort. You have tried to simply allow these sensations, which is always a good starting point, but maybe you need a little bit more help. In those moments, it may be beneficial to consciously let some positive qualities, such as calm, joy, and love, flow into our bodies, minds, and hearts. Likewise, we can imagine we share these qualities with all living beings to ease any potential suffering. The invitation and sharing, aided by our breathing, touch, and the power of imagination, will be the primary focus of today's meditation. I invite you to start slowly by finding the most comfortable position you can possibly be in, whether you are sitting, lying down, or standing. It may be a good idea to use pillows and blankets to make oneself cozy and warm. Feel free to adjust the posture to ensure the back remains straight and body relaxed. And if it feels good for you, gently close your eyes to turn inwards. If you prefer to keep your eyes open, try to let the gaze be soft and relaxed, so your eyes can rest to the extent possible as well. Start by noticing the position of your body in space, in relation to the surface you're sitting, lying, or standing on. Allow the body to be firmly grounded to that surface through the feet, the legs, torso, arms, with all the weight of your body safely supported by the earth. As you notice the sensations, allow each part of the body to rest and relax. You can stay here in the present moment for a short while. No need to go anywhere or do anything. Taking a few deeper breaths, notice where you can detect the breathing sensations in the easiest way. Are they felt in or around the nose, in the throat area, in the movement of your chest or belly? Let the breathing return to normal and take some easy breaths in and out, allowing the body to take the life-giving oxygen with each breath in a natural way. Letting the breath breathe itself. As you continue being present with the body and the breath, I invite you to try imagining that with each inhale, you are taking in the light and peace inside your body, heart, and mind. And with each exhale, you share the light and peace from within you with all living beings. It may help to softly whisper in your mind, breathing in, I take in the light and peace inside of me. Breathing out, I share the light and peace with all living beings. If it's helpful, perhaps even imagining a loving force or presence that is the source of the light and peace you connect with every time you inhale. Repeating the words and imagining the light entering you as you breathe. Breathing in, I take in the light and peace inside of me. Breathing out, I share the light and peace with all living beings. One more time. Breathing in, I take in the light and peace inside of me. Breathing out, I share the light and peace with all living beings. Focusing on other beneficial qualities, taking nice natural breaths in and out. Repeat after me and imagine. Breathing in, I take in the light and wisdom into my mind. Breathing out, I share the light and wisdom with all living beings. Placing a hand on your heart, repeat after me and imagine. Breathing in, I take in the light and love into my heart. Breathing out, I share the light and love with all living beings. Placing gently a second hand on your belly, repeat and imagine. Breathing in, I take in the light and kindness into my belly. Breathing out, I share the light and kindness with all living beings. Wrapping yourself in a self-hug, repeat after me and imagine. Breathing in, I take in the light and strength into my back and shoulders. Breathing out, I share the light and strength with all living beings. Breathing in, I take in the light and energy into my arms. Breathing out, I share the light and energy with all living beings. Now, gently holding your own hands together, repeat after me and imagine. Breathing in, I take in the light and creativity into my hands. Breathing out, I share the light and creativity with all living beings. Allowing your hands to softly rest on your lap or beside you, and sensing your entire body again, safe and present in the here and now. Notice any changes in the sensations in your upper body. What are you feeling right now? Is there more ease and relaxation? Is there no change? Allowing it all to be as it is. Moving on to the lower body, repeat these words and imagine. Breathing in, I take in the light and life into my hip area. Breathing out, I share the light and life with all living beings. Breathing in, I take in the light and stability into my legs. Breathing out, I share the light and stability with all living beings. And breathing in, I take in the light and belonging into my feet. And breathing out, I share the light and belonging with all living beings. Returning to the entire body, notice any sensations or change in sensations that may be happening. Let yourself stay still and silent for a short moment, imagining that you are now simply radiating these positive qualities as you have received them from the divine, the nature, the universe. You can now share it with everyone. With each inhale, recognize the light and peace always present inside of you. With each exhale, recognize the same light and peace always present inside every living being. With the inhale, recognize the love and kindness present inside of you, and with the exhale, recognize the love and kindness present inside every living being. With the inhale, recognize the strength and energy present inside of you, and with the exhale, recognize the strength and energy present inside every living being. With the inhale, recognize the creativity and life present inside of you, and with the exhale, recognize the creativity and life present inside every living being. With the inhale, recognize the stability and belonging present inside of you, and with the exhale, recognize the stability and belonging present inside every living being. As we finish this practice soon, in your own time, you may want to take a few deeper breaths again. Notice the sensations in the entire body. Open your eyes if they were closed, and perhaps stretch a bit, finding yourself again in your surroundings. Thank you for taking the time to practice today. I hope this meditation was beneficial in improving your mood and well-being, and you will revisit it whenever needed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you wish to see or hear more recordings like this one.